Manish Kumar Gupta appointed new Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh. Senior IAS officer Manish Kumar Gupta has been appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh, an official notification said. The Union Home Affairs Ministry on Thursday issued a notification appointing Gupta, a 1991 batch IAS officer, as the new Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh with immediate effect, replacing incumbent Chief Secretary Dharmendra, who has been transferred to the national capital. Gupta served as the Principal Secretary, Home, and as the additional Chief Secretary in the Delhi administration. Arunachal Pradesh. Chief Minister Pema Khandu has extended his best wishes to outgoing Chief Secretary Dharmendra. Best wishes to Shri Dharmendra ji as he moves on from his role as Chief Secretary of Arunachal Pradesh to take on new responsibilities in Delhi. His remarkable tenure in Arunachal Pradesh will be remembered for his deep commitment to the state's progress, Khandu posted on X.